I think Hotel International is the best in Muyinga because told me why our pizza delayed just for 2 minutes, and then the waiter had to come and just to inform us that they have delayed, and they apologized. After just like 4 minutes, it was here. We chose to eat chicken pizza and tea, African tea, spiced, and it was nice. I have no complaint. I'm all like literally picky, but really have no complaints. Now, other things that I realized or analyzed in this place is the hygiene. Now, regardless whether people are here or not, you always find this place clean, like really clean. And I also love this because hygienically I'm so picky, and I love the fact that these people package their sugar, and yeah, it doesn't make a mess on your table. It was really nice. Now, besides the things that you're seeing here or the aesthetic that you saw in my previous videos, they also do have massage. You can search on that. I did not get the prices because they had closed by the time we went to ask. They have massage parlor, and I'm sure they charge different things for different packages, but of course when I go back I'll ask because I didn't get time to get that. And they also have rooms, so if you're coming from outside Uganda,
your touch, wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you knew the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happened.
Every day, I remind myself of how far I have come from. I look back and know it has never been so easy. My happiness matters to me more than anything.
Period. It's giving Ari, it's giving the real kind of sister. Period.
Good morning. I woke up in Hoima. I'm just seeing mountains. Good morning. See you next week.
This is Hoima Culture Lounge, where Bunyolo Chitara and the Hoima or Bunyolo culture is being preserved or reserved from. Now, the thing that you see here, everything is African, like African crafted. From these things you see, I'm forgetting the name, mulimo different people, of course, Mukama, Kamukama, Atoki, everything, the prince and the princesses, you can find them there. Now, this is their room, one of the rooms that we showed you. They are really nice, and everything is African crafted. Now, if you come here, of course you're going to learn everything, like a lot about African, like Bunyoro culture, the princess, the prince, the history and all that. They are kind of expensive, but the services are really worth it. Now, in most cases, they host international visitors from UK, US, Germany, Italy, blah, blah. Hoima Culture Lounge tour. Now, before they even deceive you, I'm a very beautiful girl, calm, who runs your errands, and then you get perfect things. I do not like bars, and this is my kind of aesthetic. Enjoy the tour. Uganda and the Ugandan government has a goal to end HIV/AIDS by year 2030. Now, this is exactly what they are doing, or we are doing, to enable us achieve that goal. Shall we achieve it? Of course, if we work hand in hand, we shall.
Yeah.
So this day we had come with my team to, of course, teach people about the spread of HIV/AIDS, how to prevent themselves, prevention, and of course the treatment. On top of that, we also had to talk about STDs and STIs. Okay, and these are the ARVs, because we come with so many models, at least to illustrate to the people or the mass that we were working with or we are teaching. Okay, so if you're out there and you're just sleeping around or you're being careless about your life, I want you to know and remember that AIDS is there, it is real, and it is like really dangerous. AIDS kills. Most of you say AIDS is just a disease. Now, it is only a disease if you're not having it, but once you caught it, of course, that's when you know that it is a disease. On top of that, we had also come to, of course, teach people how to wear condoms, how to have proper and safe sex, of course, even when someone is positive, at least to avoid infecting others.
I'm going back home today. If I finish work early, so I've packed and I'm going to go with my suitcase in the car, so just in case I don't come back here. So this is my suitcase. I'm going to wear that jacket, and then after work I'm going to remove the wig so that I can wear the cape, because it is a long journey. So I'm coming back to run your errands, guys, but yeah, it has been good here. So yeah, that's it. See you when I come back. This is my room and I'm just back. Yeah, there's nothing special here, only that they are so clean. Actually, I have this seat because I work from here, and then this is the bathroom. Yeah, it is basic, nothing special, but it is clean. I think that is the most important thing. Yeah, that is it. And this is me. I'm back. I've been sleeping here for the last 2 weeks. Yeah.
Bw'obanga omala emyezi 5 nga tofa kumanyago obanga togenda for check-up, this is a video for you. One day I woke up in the middle of the night and I was feeling terrible headache. My eyes were teary. I couldn't look, I couldn't stand, I couldn't talk. So I went to the hospital immediately and I found out it was actually a tooth problem. So we went, they checked and they found out that I had actually 2 of them nga ziri maradde nnyo, but because they were at the extreme end. So I came back to Kampala and I had to go to my dentist. I wasn't happy with her services this time because I don't know, and anyway, we shall give her another chance. So she decided to send me to the x-ray to go for an x-ray at Mulago, and then I came back. We went through the same procedure. It was painful. It was painful because I was really having terrible pain, So after that, we made a refill temporarily, just to see whether they had tackled the problem. And then she told me to go back after 2 months wemanga sifunye pain again for a permanent refill. But it was really painful, guys. After that, I went to Wandercrest to eat something before I started running errands. You guys, hey, how are you doing? I know you rarely see my face, but I'm trying to grow my hair. Actually, this is the 5th month now. twatandise omwezi ogwokuna natandika 3rd Jan and this is the 5th month, and I don't know whether I'm doing good or not, but this is how it looks like. It is soft, the volume is okay, but I don't know whether the length fits the 4 months or 5 months that we're going to, So tell me what you think, and if I'm not doing well, tell me, can you recommend please someone with good natural hair products, because my hair is natural and I would like to use just natural products because I don't want to stress myself, and I also don't want something that is going to harden it because I really don't have time for that. Anyways, I'm shopping for you. I'm in Kampala, so place your orders. Bye.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I can feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from